Welcome guys. If you want to pamper and maintain the leather surfaces in your car quickly and easily. In this video Automotive Care brings 5 best wheel cleaners in 2020. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number is Meguiars Car Leather Cleaner. Use Meguiars Gold Class Rich Leather 3-in-1 formula for a simple but highly effective leather treatment that cleans, conditions and protects in one step. The spray formula contains gentle cleaners that safely and effectively remove dirt and grime without leaving a white residue or greasy feel. Premium conditioners and aloe nourish leather for a supple look and feel, while UV protection helps to prevent aging, drying, cracking and fading. The Gold Class Rich Leather 3-in-1 cleans, conditions and protects in one easy step for complete leather care. If you want to pamper and maintain the leather surfaces in your car quickly and easily, then Meguiars has the ideal solution with Gold Class Rich Leather 3-in-1 spray. The non-greasy formula cleans and protects without leaving a white residue. This car leather cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 4th number is Women Car Leather Cleaner. Women Leather Trigger allows you to clean, condition and protect smooth finished leather surfaces, it providing UV protection and long-lasting leather restoration in just one simple step. From shoes to accessories to car interiors, this formula rejuvenates leather with natural oils while safely removing dirt, soil and residue build-up. Use Women Leather Trigger on a regular basis to quickly and easily maintain your favorite leather accessories, as well as promoting flexibility, leaving your leather feeling and looking sharp. The 6 natural oils moisturize, soften and restore leather while the UV X15 sunscreen protects it from the damaging effects of the sun. Women Leather Trigger are pre-moistened wipes that can be applied directly onto smooth finished leather surfaces. This car leather cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 3rd number is Luxol Car Leather Cleaner. The elements are not kind to your leather investments. Fortunately, you can protect them with the 2-step Luxol Leather Conditioner and Cleaner Kit with applicator sponges. With one of the supplied premium applicator sponges, massage Luxol Leather Cleaner into your leather and simply wipe dirt and oils away to restore a like-new appearance. Then with the other sponge apply Luxol Leather Conditioner in minutes. Your leather will absorb the fine oil droplets, conditioning, nourishing and restoring flexibility to defend against cracking without leaving greasy residue. Treating every 6 months will extend the life of your finished leather investments. Protect the leather you love with the Luxol Leather Care Regimen Kit. This car leather cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 2nd last number is TryNova Leather Cleaner for cars. Well-used leather doesn't have to look that way. TryNova's leather cleaner removes stains, grime, and residue without compromising your leather's sheen or feel. This product is safe to use on any leather surface as well as plastic and vinyl, leaving a soft surface with a gentle luster. It's very easy to use, just simply spray on and wipe off to eliminate almost any surface stain and give new life to your leather. It's effective and safe that works to remove dirt, debris, stains, and grime without using harsh chemicals. The premium formula that developed by leather experts to deliver top quality results. So extend the life of your leather. With routine cleaning and conditioning, the TryNova Leather Cleaner can help quality leather goods to last a lifetime. This car leather cleaner is available on Amazon. And on the last we listed Chemical Guy's Car Leather Cleaner. It's not just for car seats and interiors. This kit works on all things leather like seats, interiors, jackets, shoes, sneakers, boots, sofas and more. Everyone has something leather in their home. This leather cleaner is pH balanced for the most efficient cleaning and preserves the leather's strength, durability and appearance, penetrates the pores of leather to lift and suspend dirt and oils. The leather cleaner and conditioner are both OEM approved, and are colorless and odorless and penetrates the pores of your leather to lift and remove dirt and oils, while leather conditioner, which has a subtle leather scent, contains vitamin E to nourish your leather and help reduce UV damage. The leather cleaner and conditioner complete leather care kit will breathe new life into your leather, helping it achieve the natural look and feel of soft, fantastic leather. Treat your leather right with Chemical Guy's leather cleaner and conditioner and it will look absolutely stunning. This car leather cleaner is available on Amazon. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.